Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today is new release day for Whimsy Stamps and I am featuring the Sprinkles Scalloped Rectangle Die sets. These die sets comes with 5 dies and 2 are scallops. Here's a closer look. These are perfectly sized for ATCs and other ATC products in the Whimsy Stamps store. So let's take an even closer look. So the largest die here measures 5 1/4 by 4 and it comes with that beautiful sprinkles and scalloped edge. The second largest is 4 1/2 by 3 1/4 as you can see here. And then the third largest measures approximately 4 by 2 3/4. The fourth largest measures 3 1/2 by 2 1/2. And it also comes with a sprinkles scalloped edge. And finally, the smallest rectangle measures 2 3/4 by 1 3/4. I really love the sprinkle details on these dies. So here's a card I made using the largest scallop die paired with 2 of the rectangle dies. I also used the Cat Meow stamp set, which is also in this week's release. For more Whimsy Stamps inspiration, please follow us on the links down below. And if you already haven't done so, please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!